Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix where the screen goes black randomly on your Windows. So while you are on your Windows and the screen goes randomly black, then let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Type here SFC /scan now. It says of C /scan now, hit enter. So this will check for all the integrity violations. Now, this process will take some time. This will start from 1% and this will go up to 100%. So what you can do is you are not going to close this window unless it is completed. You can just simply minimize this and do other tasks or continue other solutions on your Windows. And once this is completed, just simply close this. And for the next method, type here screen saver. This one, torrent screensaver on or off. The screensaver settings will appear. Now make sure for the screensaver, you are not going to choose any of this, especially blank. Just simply choose none, then click on apply and click on OK. Then in the Windows search bar, type device manager, best match, click on that. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the display adapter. So we are going to update our graphics card driver. So if you are using multiple graphics card, just simply choose your graphics card driver or you can update one by one. Make a right click, select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, close this. Then click on monitors, make a right click, select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, close this. And type here in the Windows search bar, edit, power plan, control panel, click on that. Then here you'll find this option, changed advanced power settings. Make sure that you are in a high performance. Then you have to click on this one, PCI Express, length state power management, click on that. Make sure that both of this on battery and plugged in is off. Again, make sure that this is off for both the on battery and plugged in. Click on apply and click on OK. And do not forget to update your Windows. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. And simply click this button right here. So make sure that your Windows is not outdated, as also outdated Windows can cause a lot of issues. And once you're updated, just simply close this and finally restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.